for right now, the inventory in Santa Clarita Valley, I ran the numbers this morning, and currently we have 359 total listings on the market for sale. And I will give you the other numbers as well. So the breakdown, we have 79 new listings in the past 7 days. 46 properties have had their prices changed. 55 properties have been closed, actually selling during this past 7 days. That is not uncommon at this time of year, and especially with this market. And then, of course, we did get some of the real estate news talking about the cost of owning homes is definitely at an all-time high. However, this week's average 30-year fixed mortgage rate, it hit 7.50%, and this is due to unexpected inflation, delayed interest rates by the Fed. Home prices, well, they're up too, with the median home price now at 380,250. This is all across the United States. We have a much more expensive market here in Santa Clarita. The changes are pushing the median monthly housing payment to a record of 2775. That's in that market, in that